YouTube, what's going on, guys? What's going on? Gotta go pick up my wife from work. She's at the studio. I want to talk to you guys real quick. I want to make something real clear because for some reason people be acting like I hate barber schools or something, and it's just not the case. I'll give you some examples of what I'm talking about. I once said, I don't know if we need a license. Maybe we can do a decreed certification. Kind of like what accountants do, like CPAs, what restaurants do. That doesn't mean I'm against regulation. You see, restaurants are one of the most regulated industries in the country. So I definitely have to mention that because somehow, some way, what people try to do is say, oh, Chris doesn't think we need a license. Chris doesn't think we need regulation. He wants to deregulate barbering. Not really what I was saying, but that's the narrative people are trying to paint. And that's totally not true. That's totally not what I'm for. You guys know I care about the industry just as much as everybody else. Another thing people try to say is Chris is against schools. You can look at my YouTube channel and see plenty of videos where I'm sticking up for schools. I think schools are very important. I think continued education is important. I even talked about the argument apprenticeship versus schools. And I think both are great, and both together would be even better, apprenticeship and schooling. There's a place for both of them. You know, if someone asked me what would you rather do, I said school, because even if you go to a school that they don't really teach you, you get the repetitions. So I would choose a school with a lot of walking traffic over apprenticeship. That's what I've always said. I've always believed it. I am 100% for schools. I have very close people in this industry, very close friends in this industry, like Bianca, for example, out in Tennessee, who own schools. They care about their students and they make sure that they give value. But I've also experienced, and I know a lot of you guys have experienced schools, they don't make you feel like they care, they want to see you succeed. And those are the schools that I feel like need to have more accountability. At least here in the state of Florida, nobody really holds them accountable. The Barbers Board has no say. They run under the Department of Education. And when there's an issue with a school and the Barbers Board punishes a barber, and it has something to do with something that a school does wrong as well, they can fine a barber and take their license away, but they can't do nothing to the school. So I just felt like, man, this needs to be an accountability thing. For some reason, people get offended by these things that I'm saying, and I'm sorry you get offended by it, but I'm just trying to help the industry, man. I'm just trying to elevate the industry. I speak on things that concern me all the time because I can. If you got an amazing school like my friend Bianca Erskine out in Georgia, then you guys should be put on a pedestal. Shout out to you guys. Support that all day. But come on, we can't act like there ain't alarming amount of schools that ain't really teaching nothing. As a matter of fact, it's interesting because here in the state of Florida, the Barbers Board actually lowered the required hours for a restricted barber to 600 hours. And everybody thought that the Barbers Board was trying to deregulate barber industry because schools were pushing that agenda. I actually went to a Barbers Board meeting, shook hands with the Barbers Board members just to pick their brain on why they did it. Their answer to me was crazy. They said, Basio, you know how long we've been hearing schools say their job is just to help you pass the test? And we don't like that. We think we should be going above and beyond that. But there are a lot of schools that don't want to. And we don't think it's fair that aspiring barbers have to go through 1,200 hours just to pass a test with a curriculum full of credit hours that have hair cutting in it, that have hair coloring in it, that have different types of chemical services. We don't think it's fair that a student doesn't have a choice to just learn enough to pass a test. They should have that option. So that's why we lowered restricted to 600 hours. And if you want to go to get your full license, it'll be 1,200 hours. And what we're finding is that if a school actually teaches and they have the student's best interest in mind, and they're going to go above and beyond doing enough just to help them pass a test, people are going to opt for that 1,200 hours more so than they would the 600. I think it's brilliant. I think it's dope. Like, if they can't regulate schools, but they can regulate the hours, they put 600 hours, I think that's amazing and it's fair. But I would rather schools go above and beyond that, and love to see that most people are choosing the 1,200 hours to get educated. I would also say, if it's a school that doesn't teach but there's a lot of walking traffic, I would still do the 1,200 hours, because you want to get in as much reps as possible before you get into the shop, in my opinion. And then when you get into the shop, you're gonna learn a whole lot of stuff that no school can teach you. Just like if you go to freaking Harvard, when you get into the real world, you're gonna learn things that Harvard couldn't teach you, right? That's just how it works. And next time you hear somebody trying to paint a false narrative around things that I say, at least I made it clear with the people I care about, and that's you guys. All right, let's keep going with this vlog. Hey man, so you guys been liking the vlogs, so I'm gonna continue to make this part of the vlogs and show you guys what my wife cooked. All right, Elijah, so what you been working on, bro?
I've been working on a sorry game board.
A sorry game board. But what do you mean? Like, are you making that out of paper or what are you doing?
So first what I did was I drew it on paper.
You drew that on paper,
Yeah,
okay.
and then on my drawing, I did all this. I copied my drawing and I did this.
But what is that?
It's a sorry game board.
Is that like coding or something?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. So you're making a game, like coding a game? Because when, you know, they might not understand when you say you're making a game, they might think, you know, you just drew it or something like that. But you're coding. Can you show us the code? Show us the code that you're doing. There it is. So that's all the coding that you're doing?
Yeah.
That is so cool. That is so sick.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna go to class. Tomorrow you got class, right? And you're gonna show them all the work that you did?
Yeah.
Ooh.
And he better like it.
We gotta do our handshake to that.
And he's gonna color right now.
Bring it in, bring it in. Love you,
Daddy,
proud of you.
He's gonna color. I'm gonna try to color it.
And then I'm like, okay, what jobs has he done? What's in progress, right? A hair clipper design. Wait, it's designing a hair clipper? Somebody has given this guy $2,500 so far to do hairstyling clipper. Obviously, if you were looking through this and you saw this job, you'd be curious too, right? Everybody here has studied real estate. Everybody here has studied stock. You guys know it's all about creating value. And there's people who will charge you very little money compared to a big company spend to do focus groups. Hairpick 1 STP.
Dang, these are the 3D files?
These are the 3D files. You can literally steal this if you wanted to and go print them yourself. Voxels. I used Voxels 3D. If I did that, that would be cheating. I gotta pretend I'm you and you don't have any contacts, right? Like Vazio has said, we have spent thousands of dollars, many hours in China to build these relationships and get to where we're at.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Just to give you guys a little bit of context, that was a live stream with our Academy member on creating a product. So we started that series earlier in February. The series is called From Napkin to Production. So we are literally going with two of our educators, Yo Fonz, Bones the Goat, and we are showing you guys how to create a product from just a drawing on paper to, you know, patents, to production, to distribution, to actual sales. And through that, you guys ask questions, you guys learn how to create your own product. I don't think anybody's ever done that. I'm late for work. Let me get out of here. All right, we're here at the shop. I'm running late. Yep. What up, bro? What up, brother? What up, what up, what up? What up, man? What's up, bro? How's it going? Dang, that's blurry. What's up, bro? What up? My baby got her glasses. Watch, she got glasses. Valentina, show everybody your glasses. Dang, our whole family needs glasses. You look so cute, girl. You can see good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Really, really good? So we had noticed she was always like squinching her eyes to see. And so we knew she was gonna need some glasses eventually. But I guess in school, they were saying she was having a lot of trouble seeing. Had to go get my baby some glasses. Oh my goodness. I was hoping there would be somebody in our family with good eyes, but I guess not. YouTube, what a start to my day. You guys don't even know, man. Laying in bed with the wife, slept in, it's Saturday, and all of a sudden we hear screaming, crying. Come downstairs, my daughter has blood all over her face. Blood all over the floors, the carpet. I guess she was running, racing her brother. Fell, hit her head on the corner of the couch, which has cushion. Split her eye open. 2 weeks ago, we were just at the hospital because she split her other eye open at school. It would be cool, you know, you take it to the hospital, they're gonna glue it shut or whatever. That's cool and all, but we got really worried when she started falling asleep. Like literally, as she's getting the blood wiped off her face, she's falling asleep. She's saying she feels like she's gotta throw up. She just wants to go to sleep. So we started getting scared in the car, rushed her to the hospital. But she's fine. She's fine now. Oh, what's this? New package. New package. Look at this. This is the towel. Clean my daughter's face off with peroxide. I'm telling you, it was scary. As a parent, you try not to panic, you know what I'm saying? Because your kid's already panicking. If you're a parent, you know how it is. And if you're a dad and it's your daughter, you know it's a little different with your daughter. Let me see, Valentina. Let me see your eye. Unbelievable. You feel better? You feel okay? Your hair looks crazy.
Thank you.
So now, your boy has been winning games. We just hit the game winner. Now he's gonna start recording, and I'm gonna play like crap. Watch. Bro, these dudes are reviewing the play. They said it hit off his leg. Let's see, did it hit off? It hit off his leg? Yeah, they checked the tape. The play has been, what, overturned? All right.
Can't touch me.
I think that's 5 wins. You see this toe? This toe is gone right here. After 30, that's the most prominent injury to a 30-year-old. That and ligament, or pulled hamstring, or rolled ankle. All right, guys, they want me to record some of their game. My feet are killing me. That game you watched, it's not my best game, but it was my last game. God damn, why I started recording this game? Nice. Uncle Nate, good pass. Oh, but golly, he thought you was the air up there. Dobby, these are not college teammates. Was Zach Levine them. Wow. You know what? I'm out of here. All right, we just got back from the basketball court. It's been about at least 3 months since I've hooped. And when you go that long without going to the basketball courts, you realize that the gym, it's hard to hit certain muscles that being active and like playing a sport or riding a bike or something like that actually hits. But real quick, I want to show you guys what my wife cooked for breakfast. All right, babe, so we got egg whites, spinach, chicken sausage, and what are these? What kind of pancakes?
Oatmeal banana.
Oatmeal banana. I was at 225 pounds. I weighed myself last night. I'm at 213.8 pounds on the same scale. Pretty amazing. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, you gotta use maple syrup.
I gotta buy sugar-free next time.
Okay, because it's healthier, but my nutritionist slash wife says we gotta do sugar-free next time. But it's supposed to be healthier than that. I gotta do an unboxing of some new products that just came out. And we're gonna announce like a giveaway with these products. Brand new, just came out. I'll show you guys that in a bit. I forgot to document this. We was just at the shop. Elijah would not stop bothering me about a cut because him and his boy got fresh cuts. All right, they can see a little bit. It's a little dark, but you can see the cut. All right, this is what's for dinner. Ooh. All right, guys. So before I show you guys this product, man, I want to tell you guys about putting yourself in a position for opportunity. What I mean by that is I always hear people like have ideas and they reach out to me like, yo, Chris, I got this major idea we should team up on. The thing that a lot of people don't understand, I feel like, your ideas don't mean ain't nothing but an idea. That's not the hard part. The hard part is what we can bring together to make that idea real. I know that you can bring to the table what I need, what I can't do. So I'm going to show you guys a company that saw us putting in work at a Barber Expo, and they saw how busy we were. They saw how packed we were. They saw the love and the attention we were getting from the industry. We may not have needed one another, but we identified that they had something special going on and we had something special going on. It would just be dope to see what we could do together. The owner of the company came up to our booth and he was like, yo, I want to show you something. I think it's special and I think you'll love it too. And I think that together we could make something amazing. So we went over to his booth. So we sat down and he showed us a bunch of these products. This is the one he showed us. And I remember him opening this, and inside you get some pretty cool stuff. Get a really cool bag. This looks like luxury to me. Get a prep and cleaner, so clean your skin. Doesn't that sound familiar? Clean your skin. And then you get this product right here that you shake, and you have a brush. And this brush is to fill in your beard. I'm gonna do it on myself real quick. You guys can see how it's filling in. See how much fuller it's looking? And obviously I didn't shake it, I don't think, long enough, but you guys can see it looks fuller. All right, so this is the product. I'm gonna pour water on it and see if it comes off. This is what he did at the show, and he started wiping it, and notice nothing's coming off. You can see with water and like your daily environment, right? Sweating, working out, maybe some rain, it's not gonna come off. So when he showed us that, immediately we're thinking, yo, the compressor. And that's what he was thinking. So we came together, we worked on no drip. We wanted it to, this is a lot thicker, but we wanted it to be thin enough to where it would go through a compressor. That's where this partnership and collaboration came together. Did we need each other? No, but together we could create something special. With our expertise with the airbrushes, his expertise with creating a color enhancement that's safe for the skin, that partnership was special. So ever since then, he's been creating some really cool products, and I just want to show you guys real quick. Oh, beard balm. Volt. This is nice, man. This is nice packaging. Oh, it slides. This is pretty cool, Volt. So this is beard balm. Let me smell it. It smells really good. Very nice. I like how it comes in these little bags. This is a sculpt wax. Scoop the product, you get a little wooden scooper. Look at this. Volt hand sanitizer, a big spray bottle. And guys, I have his sanitizers. They smell so good, and they're all natural, and they don't dry up your skin as much as the other guys. So this is nice to have in the barbershop. And then you can sell these little guys to your customers. All right, what is this? Assuming this is like a beard oil. Hydrate and nourish. Yep, skin, beard, hair oil. Really nice packaging. I'm gonna use the heck out of these. This is sea salt spray. Really nice for natural hair, longer, medium length hair. Spray it, see how it smells. Really nice manly smell. You know what I mean? Customers would probably like that as well. And then this is like a sample size. Probably sell these to customers like water. This is a way bigger beard balm, and then another beard oil. So all those products, really cool branding. The owner of Volt, he wants to do a giveaway. So what we're gonna do in partnership with Volt, we're gonna do a giveaway, a care package pretty much of all these products. I believe it's gonna be on April 5th, but I'll keep updating you guys throughout the week because we do drop daily content on this channel. In order to get into that giveaway, all right, I need y'all to go to this Instagram page and shoot them a follow. So they got 1,600 right now. Let's get them past 2,000. Volt Grooming is the brand, and they got all this really cool gear. The Instagram page is lit, bro. Very, very nice. This is a brand that deserves to take off, guys. Go follow them in order to be part of the giveaway on April 5th. You got to be following them. And then together, we're going to do a live stream and announce the giveaway winners. We'll do it randomly, but you got to be following Volt Grooming. Check it out. There'll be a link in the description for you guys. Like I was telling you guys, man, your network is your net worth. And if you don't go to these shows and you're not putting any effort towards becoming a person or a company of value within an industry, within a space that you're trying to grow in, you have to bring value to a specific sector or a specific network. But continue going to hair shows, continue putting yourself in a position where you can find more opportunities.